Welcome to another RCM Level 3 playback video. This is example weekly test number 8. This example is in F major. Go ahead and play an F major triad along with me. This example is in a 4/4 time signature and is 2 measures in length. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on Do? Did we end on Do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, go ahead and play that back. For the answer, go ahead and turn to page 48 in the RCM Level 3 4-star sight reading and ear tests book. Thank you.